We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the TUONROAD Boys Girls Hoodies, 3D printed cool hooded lightweight pullover sweatshirt for kids. If you have this hoodie, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The TUONROAD 3D Printed hoodie has quickly become a favorite among parents and kids alike, standing out in the crowded market of children's casual wear. The most consistent praise centers around the vibrant, high-definition 3D printed designs. Parents and kids alike are drawn to the bold, colorful graphics ranging from galaxy prints to animal motifs and more. The vivid HD printing technology ensures that the graphics are not only eye-catching, but also resistant to fading, even after multiple washes. Many parents have noted that the hoodie maintains its bright colors over time, which is a significant plus for active kids who tend to wear their favorite clothes frequently. This durability and appearance is matched by the overall construction of the garment. The material blend, typically a mix of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, strikes a balance between comfort and resilience. The cotton provides a soft, breathable feel, while the polyester adds strength and helps the hoodie retain its shape after washing. This combination also means the hoodie is less prone to wrinkling, making it a practical choice for busy families. One of the most frequently highlighted features is the interior fleece lining. Parents and kids describe it as super soft, adding a layer of warmth and comfort that makes the hoodie an excellent option for cool weather or for layering during transitional seasons. The lightweight nature of the fabric is another point of discussion. Many appreciate that it is not overly bulky, allowing kids to move freely whether they are at school, playing outside, or attending casual events. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of activities and environments. The hoodie features a spacious front kangaroo pocket which adds both functionality and style. Kids use the pocket to keep their hands warm or to store small items like snacks or toys. The hood itself is generously sized, providing extra coverage when needed. The drawstring closure on some models allows for adjustability, although not all versions include this feature. In terms of fit, the majority of reviews indicate that the hoodie fits true to size. Parents appreciate that it does not shrink after washing, which is crucial when buying clothes for growing children. However, a few users have noted that the sizing can run slightly large or small, depending on the specific design, so it is always advisable to consult the size chart provided by the manufacturer before purchasing. Some parents have mentioned that the hoodie runs large, with a size 5 fitting more like a 6 or 7, while others found the fit to be perfect for their children's usual size. This variation in sizing is a relatively minor issue, but worth considering if your child is between sizes or if you prefer a more fitted look. The lightweight construction of the hoodie has received mixed feedback. While many appreciate its versatility and comfort, others expected a thicker material for colder climates. For families living in regions with harsh winters, this hoodie may be better suited as a layering piece rather than a standalone outerwear option. On the other hand, its lighter weight makes it ideal for spring, fall, or even cool summer evenings. The breathability of the fabric ensures that kids stay comfortable without overheating, even during active play. Another standout aspect is the versatility of the design options. With a wide range of patterns available, there is something to suit every child's taste. This makes the hoodie an excellent gift choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Several reviewers mentioned that their children were thrilled to receive the hoodie as a present, and it often became their go-to piece of clothing. The unique designs help kids express their personalities and stand out from the crowd, which is especially appealing for those who enjoy bold fashion statements. Durability is a key consideration for any children's clothing, and the TUONROAD hoodie performs well in this regard. Parents report that the hoodie withstands regular wear and tear exceptionally well. The seams are sturdy, and the fabric resists pilling even after numerous washes. This level of durability is particularly important for active kids who need clothing that can keep up with their energy levels. The hoodie's construction ensures that it remains in good condition, making it a practical investment for families seeking both style and longevity. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where users feel improvements could be made. Some customers were initially surprised by the thinness of the material, expecting a heavier sweatshirt based on product images. While this does not compromise the overall quality or comfort, it is something to keep in mind if you are specifically looking for a thick, winter-ready hoodie. Additionally, a small number of users noted slight variations in color compared to what was shown online. This could be due to differences in screen settings or lighting during photography, but it is a minor issue that did not significantly impact overall satisfaction. The lack of a zipper is another point mentioned by some reviewers. While the pullover design is generally well received, a few parents would have preferred a zip-up option for easier on and off, especially for younger children. However, the absence of a zipper also means there are fewer components that can break or wear out, contributing to the hoodie's overall durability. Comfort is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many parents highlight how much their children enjoy wearing the hoodie, with some noting that their kids wear it almost every day. The soft interior, combined with the lightweight yet warm fabric, makes it suitable for extended wear. The hoodie is described as cozy and comfortable, with a fit that allows for easy movement without being too baggy or restrictive. This balance between comfort and style is a significant factor in the hoodie's popularity. The TUONROAD hoodie has also received positive ratings on major retail platforms. With an average rating of 4.4 stars from over 450 reviews, it ranks highly in categories such as girls' novelty hoodies and girls' fashion. This strong performance reflects its widespread appeal and the satisfaction of both parents and children. The hoodie's popularity is further evidenced by its position among bestsellers in its category, indicating that it is a trusted choice for families seeking quality and style. In terms of value, the hoodie is frequently described as an excellent purchase. Parents appreciate the combination of quality, design, and affordability. The price point is considered reasonable given the level of detail in the prints and the overall construction of the garment. For families looking for stylish, comfortable, and durable clothing options for their children, the TUONROAD hoodie represents a solid investment. To summarize the key points from user reviews, the TUONROAD Boys Girls Hoodies 3D Printed Cool Hooded Lightweight Pullover Sweatshirt for Kids is highly regarded for its vibrant designs, comfortable materials, and practical features. The hoodie's durability, ease of care, and versatility make it a popular choice for children's casual wear. While there are minor concerns regarding the thickness of the material and occasional sizing variations, these do not detract significantly from the overall positive impression. If you are considering purchasing this hoodie, keep in mind your specific needs regarding warmth and fit. For those seeking a lightweight, stylish, and comfortable option for their children, this hoodie is likely to meet or exceed expectations. The wide range of design options ensures that there is something for every child, making it a fun and functional addition to any wardrobe. We hope this detailed review, based on feedback from parents and kids across the internet, helps you decide whether the TUONROAD hoodie is right for your child. Remember to check out the product link in the description if you are interested in purchasing one. Your support helps us continue to bring you comprehensive reviews like this. If you already own this hoodie, please share your thoughts in the comments below to help other parents make an informed decision.